Yes, people, what's good? Today's video, I'm going to be talking about some tips and tricks with reselling. I often get messages on my Instagram asking, just for some advice in reselling. And recently, I've seen people selling courses on reselling. So I thought, let me drop some knowledge on you, man, for free. Not that my advice is worth much money, but hopefully it will help some of you guys out. All right, so before I start, ignore any background noise. It's just this puppy that is full of energy right now, even though we just got back from a very long walk. Tip number one, take cold showers. That was a joke. My most important advice would be to register your business with HMRC as soon as possible. Well, not as soon as possible, but as soon as you have to, which is, I think you have to start declaring your income after you earn over 1K, which seems ridiculous. But you don't pay tax on any earnings under 12K, I want to say. So it might sound a bit daunting having to pay HMRC some of your hard-earned money, but it's just the way it goes. And also there are some benefits of being taxed from registering your business. For example, you can write off a lot of your purchases from your tax. I'll give an example. So say if you owe HMRC 10 grand at the end of the year, you realize that you owe them 10 grand and you could say, I fancy a new car for my business, of course, for your business. You spend 10 grand on your new car. You don't owe them a penny because that car was a business purchase. So that was quite an extreme example, but you get how it goes. Also, once you're VAT registered, I think that's when your turnover is over 75K, which when you're reselling isn't that much, because when you're reselling, the flow of money is just in, out, in, out, in, out. Your turnover being 75K does not mean you're making anything like 75K, your profits. But anyway, once you're VAT registered, you can start claiming back VAT on business purchases. So I bought a new laptop recently for 1 grand, but I only paid £800 on it because I claimed back the VAT on it because it was a business purchase. Also, the remaining £800 comes off of your business profits at the end of the year. So you don't actually pay the £800, you pay even less than that. I don't know what the maths would be on that, but you save a lot of money being business registered. Well, having your business registered, All right, my second tip would be to buy fake items on purpose sometimes to learn how to spot fakes in comparison to the real one. So when a new fake item comes onto the market, I will get my hands on one on purpose so that I can then compare it to the real thing and learn how to spot them in the future, pretty much. And then, of course, I will return the item because PayPal has you covered. You can always return something if it's fake. So buy it, learn from it, and return it. And free knowledge, basically. Tip number 3, this one's an obvious one. Reinvest your profits. I don't need to explain this one. You're an idiot if you don't understand why you should reinvest your profits into your business. But there you go. My 4th tip would be to sometimes buy the special rare items, even if you're not going to make much money on them or any money at all, just so that you can have it on your page, and that will attract. Evie, can you stop? Where was I? Even if you're not going to make money on it, because having it on your page will attract new customers. People will think, oh, this guy gets in good stuff, let me drop him a follow. So for example, if you see a Stone Island snowflake jacket for £500, it might not be a bad idea to buy that jacket, even if you're only going to sell it for £520. After PayPal fees, you're not going to make anything, but you won't lose anything. Oh, this dog. Yeah, it attracts new buyers basically. My fifth tip would be, as a rule of thumb, buying anything at 50% off is worth a punt to then. You good? Yeah, she's good. Buying anything at 50% off is worth a punt to then try and sell it for profit. You buy an item at £200 that was £400, you try and sell it for £280. And even if you end up sitting on it for months, you get fed up of it and you want to try and just sell it for what you paid. You can usually always sell an item 50% off, because it's just 50% off, half price is very attractive to customers. Yeah, unless that item is horrendous, you can pretty much always get your money back. I've got more tips and tricks in this small little pea brain of mine. So if you want a part 2, let me know. But yeah, I hope this helps some of you guys. And yeah, have a good day. Safe.